Here I have VIVO V20 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have the button Do Not Disturb. Tap on it once and you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. You can also switch it here. So you have such settings as what can interrupt Do Not Disturb mode, like the exceptions of this mode. This could be people, for example conversations, priority conversations. It could be not only these conversations, it could be also calls from shared contacts, from all the contacts, from anyone. Or from nobody. There's also an option repeat callers. If the same person calls the second time in a 15-minute period, this call will also add it to the exceptions. The same goes to messages, like there's shared contacts, anyone or nobody. You have also alarms and other interruptions, so you can add to exceptions alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders and calendar events. You can add the schedule for this mode, for example, and you can select days on which this schedule will be working. You can select the start time, you can select the end time, you can enable alarms, can override end time, you can select Do Not Disturb mode's behavior too. You have the duration for quick settings, like it's like the duration of this mode by default. And you can also hide notifications. You can hide only sound notifications, but you can also hide visual and sound notifications, and you have like the customs. You can sound notifications you can hide, other notifications you can display as you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.